Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson. We are part of week 23 and the lesson for today is types of trash. Okay.
So how this family survives on a plastic trash dump hidden below on a volcano in Guatemala. You see here already a lot of trash. You see one family here, so we will see how the daily life from this family.
En 20 años ha crecido. Nosotros lo vimos cuando vino la primera camionada. Sí, 2, 3, 4, ahí parece que creo hasta 15 camiones. Pues la verdad para mí, al verlo eso, porque si no hubiera eso, ¿dónde nos ayudaríamos nosotros? Sí. Mi nombre es María Ofelia. Pues ¿quién me va a dar comida a mis hijos? Y mi esposo no me ayuda, o sea, para sostenerlo a ellos, porque él está enfermo, pues, y, o sea, digamos, él toma mucho, entonces no hace caso, sí. Así como ahorita quisiera verlos felices, que no les haga falta nada. El bien para él, pues, es estudiar, tenga algo en la vida. Pues por eso, para eso trabajo. Sí, para los cuadernos, los libros, lápiz, todo lo que necesita él, por eso trabajo. Pues la verdad, mi necesidad más grande es o sea, he anhelado tener una casa así propia, lo que sea mío.
Okay, welcome back from the video and coming to the purpose. Today we will learn about types of trash. We will analyze effects of violence from natural disasters on the body, mind and society. We will explain causes and results of electromagnetic force from burnished objects by using visible evidences. And finally, we will speak and write to give data about themselves, their friends, and the environment around them.
Okay, let's move on to the vocabulary. The first one, trash. I think everybody know what is the meaning of trash. So it's all what you see also here on the side. It's all the waste, the plastic, or all the thing that you don't need anymore that you put in a trash bin.
Second word is garbage, and we've introduced this term just to give you an idea between the different vocabulary for the US and the UK. So garbage is another word for trash, which is used a lot in the United States, and rubbish is another word for trash, which is used a lot in the UK.
Okay, then we have a waste, number 4, a waste. So if you don't finish your meal, then you have waste. That is like waste to put in the trash or to give for your dog. That's all waste.
And finally, you have hazardous, or hazardous is another term for something that is dangerous. Okay? So chemicals are hazardous to your health because they're dangerous.
So here's some mathematics. We have here problem with solution. So it's about decimal problems. It's part of the indicators. So here, find the weight of 25.5 meters of copper wire in kilogram and in 1 meter wide of 10 grams. So here's the solution. So here's the example.
So basically, if one copper wire is 25.5 meters, then 10 will be 25.5 multiplied by 10. So that is 255 grams. Okay, and so in grams, you can leave the answer in grams, but if you want to convert it to kilograms, then one kilogram is 1,000 grams. So then you divide by 1,000 and you get 0.255 kilograms.
And here the first problem. So you can copy the problem in your notebook and then try to solve the problem.
Okay, I'll just give you a little hint here. Jennifer bought 6.5 kilograms of sugar and she wasted 3,750 grams. Okay, so first you notice that the units are not the same. She bought 6.5 kilograms and she wasted 3,750 grams. Okay, so the total sugar she bought was 6,500 grams. So how many kilograms of sugar is left? So you would do 6,500 minus 3,750 to get the final answer.
Okay, here the first part of the thinking tool, the KWL. So what do you know about types of trash? And what do you want to know? So here's some example. How many types of trash? Why do we need to separate hazardous trash? And what will happen if no one managed trash? So try to add some questions and try to add what do you know about the trash.
And when you try to answer what I know about trash, think about the previous lessons. Think about land pollution, think about water pollution, think about air pollution, okay? And then how all of that eventually leads to garbage material everywhere around you. Maybe not so much air pollution, but definitely think of the pictures you saw in water and land pollution. And all of that is basically trash.
So before watching the video, can you guess how long it will take these items to decompose? So decompose means, we had this in the previous lesson, decompose. So if something starts to be decomposed. So
Okay.
Banana peel.
So we told you the example that eventually all natural products break down into gas and water. So how long will it take for a banana to become gas and water? And compare that to the last part of a glass bottle and a plastic bottle. And how long do you think plastic bottle takes to become gas and water?
Here the video with the answers. Okay, welcome back to the video. Yeah, other exercise, waste management, segregation of garbage. So what are the types of trash in the video? So you have here 4 types of trash. So we will watch the video now and then you can make the exercise.
Okay, welcome back from the video. So you must have seen this a lot in your school, in your houses. Before anything can be recycled, it needs to be sorted out, or you need to separate the trash, and you will help the government and you will help the municipality if you segregate it yourself, if you separate it yourself. That is why in a lot of countries, the government makes it compulsory to separate trash before you throw it away. So these are the color combinations. You have yellow for food waste, you have recyclable that goes into blue, you have biodegradable that goes into green, and then you also have the non-recyclable that goes into the dark green.
The top 10 trash items found in the ocean. So the ocean is not a trash bin. You have animals and the environment, but there's still a lot of trash in the ocean. And here the top 10. We have here plastic fishing line. We have plastic fragments, glass bottles, plastic bottles, plastic food wrappers, aluminum cans, plastic grocery bags, metal fishing, plastic cutlery, and glass ceramic. And here you see the amount.
Okay, and this amount is only the trash that was removed and reported by one of the eco organizations. This does not tell you the number that is already in the ocean that we don't know where it is and we cannot remove. Okay, and just one more thing I'd like to add. We did a chapter called PPE, equipment pollution, and that has not been included in this. So after COVID vaccinations, I think there will be a lot of masks and a lot of syringes which will be dumped in the ocean, unfortunately, and we don't see that number here.
We are back from the thinking tour. So you did already the 2 first part, what you know and what you want to know. And now you can write whatever you learned from this lesson.
So think about the videos you saw, think about the previous infographic we showed you about the amount of trash that has been recovered. Think about PPE pollution. So a lot of those things, you can write those down and try to use the present tense and try to use the past tense in what I have learned.
What have you learned from this lesson? Write everything down on your notebook and don't forget to write the meaning in Thai on your notebook.
Okay, and for the thinking tool, please complete the KWL for types of trash and finish the decimal problem for how much sugar was used and how much sugar was wasted.
Okay, see you for the next lesson.
Bye-bye.
Bye.